everybody, it's Robin Paul. I'm a Summit consultant with Summit Salon Business Center. So I know that we all just got our Christmas box sets in and everybody is excited to get those sold through for the holiday season. One of my favorite tools we have with Summit Salon Business Center is the scratch and spiff boards. Sometimes in the salon company, it's like, oh, we all know so-and-so is going to win the retail contest. What's so great with the scratch and spiff board is that everybody has a chance to win. So a great way to launch this is just to get it started at your team meeting, tell everybody about it. It's a game of chances. There are 10 hidden graphics under the scratch offs that they're all worth a dollar amount. So every person has the potential to win a major prize. So what we do is we put a poster board in the back room, and every time someone sells a Christmas box set, they get a scratch. And then we get together before Christmas and have a little party, and we just have a scratch off party, and they get to go home with cash. And what better thing to go home with cash right before the Christmas season, right? Head on over to summitsalon.com right now, go to our resources link, and purchase these as soon as possible. You can get one board for $35 or 4 of them for $100. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.